OpenAI just dropped two of the smartest AI models ever, o3 and o4-mini. These new models are setting the bar for advanced reasoning, tool use, and AI performance. Meet o3, the most powerful reasoning model OpenAI has ever created. It excels at coding, math, science, and visual tasks, scoring top marks on challenges like Codeforces and the AIME math competition. With 20% fewer errors than its predecessor, o3 is a game-changer for complex, multi-step problems. Then there's o4-mini. Smaller but just as mighty, it delivers impressive performance on coding, math, and even visual reasoning. Faster and more cost-efficient than ever. It's the perfect choice for high-volume tasks requiring quick, accurate answers. What really sets these models apart is full tool access. Whether it's browsing the web, running Python code, or analyzing images, both o3 and o4-mini can tackle complex tasks in real time, all while providing thoughtful, detailed responses. For the first time, these models can think with images, interpreting and analyzing everything from blurry diagrams to sketches. This new multimodal capability opens the door to solving problems that were once impossible. With agentic tool use, o3 and o4-mini can intelligently combine tools for advanced problem solving. Imagine asking for a summer energy forecast. These models can gather data, analyze it, and present a detailed report in minutes. OpenAI o3 and o4-mini are here, taking AI reasoning to new heights. Ready to try them out? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge updates from OpenAI.